traffic hour already. Alright, good afternoon. This is the POV Guy. Today we are out again in search of another adventure. Today I am on the hunt and I'm looking for beautiful places. I'm looking for beautiful spots. Beautiful spots around TAYTAY Rizal. TAYTAY Rizal. It's about 4 p.m. almost 5 p.m. I think. Traffic is picking up. It's a busy afternoon, but we're out for a venture. I found a place on Facebook that I think I would love to check out. Then I would love to show you also. So, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. If you're coming back for the second time, make sure you're subscribed. Make sure that you like the video, leave a comment and share with your friends. And don't forget to follow me all the way to the end of this video. Let's do some exploring around TAYTAY Rizal. Beautiful place. Beautiful place. Look at that. Here go TAYTAY Rizal. Alright, so let's go check out this amazing sports complex. There are people who are out there already, running, working out, doing stuff. So follow me. Let's go to a super sports complex out here in TAYTAY Rizal. I'm out looking for beautiful places. As you can see, most of my videos I am going to be on a bike or on a motorbike, and this is joyride. This is joyride because here in the Philippines the fastest way to move around is motorbikes. Yeah, might not always be the safest, but if you want to go fast and quick and escape and navigate the traffic, motorbike ride is the best option. There are also areas that you might not be able to find a taxi to go there. So again, the motor guys come to your rescue. So I think we are getting close. So yeah, APM Park Center. I don't know what to do there. Just mega way. It's a little dusty, but it's so good. Most of the food manufacturing that is done in Philippines, most of the factories are out here in Rizal. Because Rizal, although it's a province, it's very close to Metro Manila. So sometimes you live here in Kaita, but you're kind of just basically in Metro Manila because of proximity. So although Kaita is in Rizal or Rizal province, it's still very close to Metro Manila area. So see, these are factories. Alright, that's good. When we get here, we have to log in at the gate, at the entrance, which is always good. Keep track. So let's see how it looks like. Most of the work is still being done, I think. But from what I've seen online, see the very beautiful place. There you go. Yeah. It's okay here, Paul. Sorry. Thank you. Right. It's a beautiful place. So I'm just gonna walk around, check out the turf. Oh, careful. It has a very good running track all around. See high school kids, they come here for training, sports, football, all sort of things. So I see these guys, they're training with shot put, something that I did in school. I think I'll have to try this. I'll have to try. Let me see if I see got it. Can I try? Can I try? From here. Let me see if I still got it. Let's go. Woo. Careful. Ooh. He's so strong. I used to throw at least. I have a medal for this. High school. I have a high school medal for this.
Are you from the States?
No, I'm from Cameroon.
Cameroon.
Yeah. Lots of kids playing around. So if you have a kid that wants to play football, there are so many coaches around here, as I can see, that can train. It's a pretty sizable playground or pitch. Oh, sorry. So if you live around here, or even if you live like in a 5 kilometer radius around, and you can make your way to this place, trust me, you're gonna have fun. So nice pitch, artificial turf, but it's good. It's good. So let me know what you think about this place. Do you think I found a beautiful spot here? I would say 100%. Good place for evening relaxation. You want to, walk, run, jog, sprint, train. This is the best place. So you have like high school football teams, elementary schools, maybe professional football clubs, university teams. They all come here and they train. And this is very beautiful to see, man. It's good. Ooh. It's a little game going on here. This is a girls team football. Look at the kids there. And then the runners and the rest of us who are walking around. Still a lot of work that has to be done, but it's good. It's looking good. It's looking good. I was thinking of going up there, but I've seen Bawal If you're new to the Philippines, you're a foreigner, you don't know Tagalog, or at least a few words like I do, by all means, do not. So, I was thinking I could just step up there, take a picture of the whole place. But it's alright. Even from down here, still a pretty good view. This is TAYTAY Rizal Sports Complex. I'm sure that in the future there'll be dressing rooms here and there. You see parents sitting and watching their kids play and train. Beautiful. Here comes the sprinters. Philippines has been investing a lot in its football, and you can see that in the national team. I think the national women's team won the Asian Cup, if I'm not mistaken. So they are doing pretty good. And trust me, this is the best way to build talent from the ground up, from this age. Yeah, this is how you build and you scout for talent. I'm sure that in the next 5, 10, 15 years, Philippines will be a much more well-performing football playing nation. Yeah, they have a professional football league, but which is not that popular, because the popular sport here is, oh, nice touch. The popular sport here is basketball. Basketball. Yeah, but football is growing. Football is growing. All right, it's been a beautiful experience. For if you live around Kainta, TAYTAY, Angono, you're looking for a spot where you can exercise, this is it. Or you just come out here in the evening, hang out, decompress, watch people do different stuff, and you relax. It's refreshing actually. So yeah, if you have been in love with the video so far up to this moment, like, share, subscribe, and hopefully I get to see you in the next video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.